Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are studying syntax in our today's lecture, that is of unit number 2, traditional grammar. We are going to discuss traditional grammar in detail. So let's begin. What is traditional grammar? Traditional grammar is the oldest way of teaching English grammar. In this method, teachers first explain rules, then students memorize those rules, यानी ज़बानी याद करते हैं, and practice them through written exercises. The main purpose of traditional grammar is to help students write correct English. Reading and writing are more important than listening and speaking. Students learn tenses, parts of speech, sentence types, and punctuation step by step. In this method, accuracy means correctness, यानी सही होना, is more important than fluency. जो रवानी है उससे ज्यादा एक्यूरेसी जरूरी है इस मेथड में. टीचर्स करेक्ट मिस्टेक्स strictly and students repeat exercises until they improve. This system is very useful for exams because it helps students score well in written papers. For example, students learn that a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Then they write in the ch is capital. Teacher enters the class, like class, after the class there is full stop, so the students are able to write a capital letter as well as they are able to put full stop at the end of the sentence. Main features: traditional grammar focus on learning rules, memorization, zabani yaad karna, written practice, and error correction. The teacher plays the main role in the class. Students mostly listen, write, and follow instructions. Students also translate sentences from their mother tongue into English. The syllabus starts with easy topics and moves to difficult ones. This method improves spelling, handwriting, and sentence making. After learning past tense, students write sentences like, he went to school yesterday. It's a past tense. Parts of speech. Parts of speech are very important in traditional grammar. Students learn that a noun names a person or things, a verb shows action, an adjective describes a noun, and adverbs gives more information about a verb. Teachers give ex- teachers give exercises to identify these words. This helps students understand sentence structure. For example, the boy, the small boy runs very fast. Open and closed words. Open open class words are nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. New words can be added to these groups. Closed class words are pronouns, conjunctions, prepositions, and articles. These words rarely change. कभी कभार change होते हैं या बहुत कम. This helps students understand how English sentences are built. Writing practice. Students practice grammar through writing paragraphs, letters, applications, and essays. Teachers give topics and students write complete answers. This improves vocabulary and sentence making. For example, write a paragraph on my favorite teacher. Sentence change and joining. Students learn to change sentences without changing meaning. For example, she likes tea. Student change them into she does not like tea. The students also learn to join sentences. He worked hard. He passed the exam. He passed the exam because he worked hard. Student can make these sentences. They can change or combine or join sentences like this. Direct and indirect speech. Students learn how to change spoken words into reported words. For example, Ali said, I will help you. They change them into Ali said that he would help me. Correct grammar and sentence types. Students learn correct tense, subject, verb agreement, articles, and punctuation. They also learn simple, compound, and complex sentence. He is sleeping, that is a simple sentence. He is sleeping and his brother is reading, it's a compound sentence. He is sleeping while his brother is reading, it's a complex sentence. So we conclude our today's lecture about traditional grammar. Traditional grammar teaches English through rules and practice. It helps students write correctly and do well in examination. Although it does not improve speaking much, it gives students a strong grammar base. So, student, that was all about traditional grammar. We discussed in detail. I request all of you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your uh, query and share your uh, comments and share your views in the comment section. Thank you very much.